You want to be successful in life? Just start commanding your mind for the success. I am a success magnet. Success is my birthright, and I have the potential to be successful. Even if you are at the worst times of your life, universe and your mind doesn't care about that. Universe doesn't care about how many times you have failed yet. It doesn't care about how poor you are now. It doesn't care about your family background. It doesn't care about your degree, your academic grades. It doesn't care about how many times you have failed and how much struggle you are going through now and what realities you are going through now. It doesn't really care. It only understands the language of vibration and frequency, your words, your thoughts. If your thoughts are of success, if you have courage to say it loud, I will be successful. I will be that no one can ever think I could be. Universe will respond to your vibrations and frequency. It doesn't care about what you was thinking about yourself in the past. It cares about at what frequency you are vibrating right now. Once you start commanding your subconscious mind, I want to be successful. I am not born to suffer. I am born to be successful in whatever you are doing. Your mind will start to show you the paths. Universe will arrange the people, the events, the circumstances to lead your way, to show you the opportunities. There is no other way. Once you put an idea in the universe and in your mind, they both will start working on that idea. You don't have to do anything. You just have to believe on your divine powers, on your subconscious mind powers, on universe powers. If you want to be successful, you have to tell universe, you have to take inspired actions. In which field you want to be successful? It all depends on you. You have to ask for your success. You have to believe that you can be successful. And then you have to take inspired actions shown by the universe. Universe doesn't give success in your hands. It shows you the opportunities. It arranges the people, events, and the right things on your way that can lead you to your desired goal. You have to find the life purpose and then start working on that. You can't just simply say in your words, I am successful, and doing nothing. You have to think yourself in which field you want to be successful. And then you don't need to see full staircase. You just have to take your first step and the universe will show you the path. Just believe it and then keep going. You are born to be successful.